Well, you'd have to be a total nincompoop, quite foolish to think that the Earth actually is the center of the universe and that the sun rotates around the Earth. But that's exactly what people thought around 1600. And it was Galileo, who's considered the father of physics, who said, no, the sun doesn't rotate around the Earth. It's the Earth that rotates around the sun. And they said, oh, no, you're wrong. In fact, we're going to torture you to death if you don't recant. Well, when I told that story at a recent community talk, someone asked me, well, what do you think could be some current things that we are so wrong about and that later we're going to say, oh my gosh, how could we ever think that? I think my answer surprised a lot of people and maybe even angered some people. But here's what came to mind first. It's injecting a neurotoxin into the face. A neurotoxin for aesthetics, which doesn't make any sense to me. This is something with a black box warning. Even people in the dental profession are injecting this into people's faces. Does it make sense to think that beauty is something as unnatural as a neurotoxin? And look at the potential side effects. Think for yourself. Look back at Galileo's. All kinds of people through history had these bizarre ideas that everybody thought was nutso, but then later they were considered to be factual. Once time passes, things can change. Make sure you're using the brain that God gave you.